Experiencing issues resetting your AirTalk wireless voicemail password? Several factors can cause this. The most common reasons include temporary network disruptions, especially following AT&T network upgrades which AirTalk utilizes. SIM card compatibility issues or an outdated AirTalk app can also prevent successful resets. There are three main methods to reset your voicemail password: IVR by dialing 86 from your line, the AirTalk app through settings, and the web portal at airtalkwireless.com. The good news is AirTalk has made improvements. The AirTalk app version 4.2.1 now offers streamlined resets, and the web portal includes a dedicated voicemail settings tab. The IVR method is also more reliable than before. Account issues, like unpaid balances, can also block resets. Make sure to keep the app and service updated. Let's walk through the solutions. For IVR, dial 86. Be sure to navigate through the menus clearly. If that fails, use the AirTalk app by going to Settings, Voicemail, Reset Password. Ensure your app is updated and you have a stable internet connection. Finally, try the web portal at airtalkwireless.com. Log in, navigate to Account Voicemail, and reset from there. If problems persist, try clearing your browser's cache, trying a different browser, or contacting AirTalk support at 1-800-AirTalk. Remember to verify your account details to avoid future issues and document your new password securely.